Want to reach a larger audience on social media? Boosting posts is an easy way to reach new audiences on Facebook, Messenger, and Instagram. Even if you have minimal experience, the tool is user-friendly, cost-effective, and quick to set up. Boosting allows you to use existing posts as ads rather than going through the process of creating a fully paid ad strategy with unique images and copy. Understanding your business goals is important when it comes to boosting, as you can cater to certain objectives, making tailored ads for specific goals. Now let's go through the process of how to boost the post. First, you'll need a Facebook page. You must have Facebook access to this page, so make sure that you have a page role or access that allows you to advertise. Switch into your Facebook page and then find the post you want to boost. Select Boost Post. You can find this button at the bottom right of your post. If you're unable to select Boost Post, boosting may be unavailable for this post. For instance, you're unable to boost cover photos or videos on Facebook. Next, choose the results you'd like to see from your boost. You can let Facebook select the most relevant goal based on your settings or choose a goal manually. Then, fill in the details for your ad. Meta will automatically use images and text from your post, but you can choose the following details. Under Audience, choose a recommended audience or create a new audience based on specific traits you're wanting to target. Under Total Budget, select a recommended budget or provide a custom budget. For duration, select one of the suggested timeframes or provide a specific end date. Finally, change or update your payment method. When you finish, select Boost Post Now. Once your post has been reviewed and published, you can no longer edit the text, images, or video. If you want to make any changes, you'll need to create a new post and boost it. However, when you boost a post from your business page, it becomes a Facebook ad. After it's published, you can edit the ad on Facebook and change certain components to help you better reach your intended audience, such as your budget and duration. While it has fewer custom features in comparison to a more in-depth tool like Meta Ads Manager, boosting posts is a cheap and easy way to build brand awareness for your brand quickly and simply. It's a good idea to give it a go, even if you just put a few dollars into the boosted post, to test and trial what works best for you and your brand.